The Mounting Dream long-arm TV mount is built to handle very large televisions securely, supporting heavy screens on wide stud spacing that many mounts cannot accommodate. Its exceptionally long extension arm lets the television swing far out from the wall or tuck back close, making it a practical solution for corner setups or open concept rooms. Generous swivel and tilt adjustments allow you to fine-tune the viewing angle, cutting down reflections and keeping the picture comfortable to watch from different seats. The mount supports a broad range of VESA patterns, so it can work with many modern televisions and still feel rock solid when fully extended. Installation is thoughtfully streamlined with a paper template, clear labeling, and a bubble level that help you get the bracket aligned without a lot of trial and error. Ongoing support from the manufacturer, including responsive help with fitment and setup questions, adds confidence that the mount will stay safe and functional over the long term.